Hi, well, this is showing you the S4A Elements Bronze box from startup, how to get going. So here we've got the bronze box with our Arduino compatible, with the Grove system installed on it, 2 Grove leads, and the included Grove LED and button boards, which is just perfect for our first project. So if we pull them all out, and we'll start us with Arduino. And we've got a project right here in the installer, which demonstrates all of the things that we've got quite nicely, really. Okay, the first thing that and I'll show you the project source code in a minute. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start hooking up these leads. Okay, so we just plug the leads in at either end on here. And it's really just as simple as that. And on this sketch we've got, it shows an LED fading in and out, and we've got a button that can speed up the fading. So in order to use fading, we've got to use the analog write function from the AVR Swift library. And as you can see in the comment there, only pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11 can use analog write due to the internal timers. So I think we'll use pin 3, that's perfectly good. So I've basically got the LED here. You just literally look on the board, and you can see pin 3 right there. So I'll plug that right in. On here you can see I've got pin 7 hooked up to the button. So again, you just take the Grove component, you just plug it straight in. No wires, no messing about. This is the great thing about the system, and all this comes straight out of the box. So for Arduino. And finally, plug in the USB cable. Yes, there we go, USB cable connected, and we're back to the IDE. So if we go a quick look at this code, you can see that it basically just increases and reduces the value that's being written to pin 3 on a curve. So if I upload this, and there we have it. You can see that this LED is fading in and out brightness. Let's catch up from the side, you can see it a little bit better. And the extra feature that we've added is if you hold down the button, it does it quickly. But you can see that this is a completely smooth fade because it's using full PWM from the Arduino chip. And that's it.